Windows 11 Notepad is allegedly getting browser-like tabs feature. Windows 11 has been rolling out to customers worldwide and it has received all sorts of interesting updates since it comes out. For example, Windows 11 version 22.2, the OS first big update, added tabs to the File Explorer, enabled drag and drop support for the taskbar and much more. After adding tabs to File Explorer, it looks like Microsoft is planning to bring tabs to the Notepad app. This won't be Microsoft's first attempt to add tab to apps like Notepad. In 2017, Microsoft experimenting with a feature called sets, which added tabs to different apps and eliminated the need of opening multiple windows of the same app. Windows 10 tabs idea grouped Windows into a single tab window, allowing you to have multiple instances of Notepad and other apps in a single window. This feature was officially shelved in 2019 and Microsoft was internally running into technical problems according to sources. Microsoft now appears to be working on tab support for Notepad app according to screenshot posted by a Microsoft engineer. This feature seems to be in early stage of development and there's a warning within the app about the confidential agreement to not discuss or share the feature with the public. It's great to see tab support expand beyond File Explorer and arrive in a popular app like Notepad. It may not sound like a big deal for many users, but being able to organize multiple instances of Notepad with tabs rather than relying on separate windows is going to be much more productive. It is also worth noting that tab support will contribute to better performance. For example, File Explorer tabs used for less RAM. In our tabs, we observed that a new tab only increased memory consumption by just a couple of megabytes. Of course, this is subjective and is going to be different for all configuration, but tabs integration will definitely reduce memory consumption.